What's up guys? So I have here today an Apollo grill with me, and behind me is a Toyota Avanza, and today we're going to be putting on this grill on that car. It's going to be super simple. I'm going to show you how. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the grill. The first step you got to do is just take off these 3M tapes in the back, and it's really simple. And what this grill is going to do is it's going to stick directly into the existing grill of the car. So it's very simple. Takes less than 5 minutes to install. Alright, now that the 3M is out, secure the 3M tapes around the grill. Make sure everything sticks so your grill doesn't fly out when you're driving on the freeway or in the road. So now that everything is secure, as you can see, that grill is going nowhere. And there you go. Alright guys, so take a look at the new grill on the Avanza. I'll see you guys next time. JSL, creative innovation always.